When you power up your devices, the currently selected ID will be indicated with a blinking pattern using the DMX data and the COP indicators. The DMX data indicator is yellow, and the COP indicator is green. There are 4 different patterns to indicate the IDs. ID 0 is indicated with a rapid blink of the yellow DMX indicator. ID 1 is represented by a rapid blink of the green COP indicator. ID 2 is represented by the yellow and green indicators blinking at the same time. ID 3 is represented by the yellow and green indicators alternating. You can change IDs at any time by simply holding the set ABC or the set DEF buttons on power up. Once a new ID is captured, its ID blink pattern will appear. As you can see, we've added a switch in line to aid in our demonstration purposes. On power up, you'll see the yellow DMX data indicator flash. That's confirming that we're currently in ID 0, which is the default ID. If we want to change to ID 1, we're going to turn the power off, press down the set DEF button, turn the power back on, and you can see the green COP indicator flash, confirming that we have changed to ID 1. To go back to ID 0, we're going to turn off the power, press down the set ABC button, turn back on the power, and you'll see the yellow DMX data light flash indicating that we are back in ID 0. To select the public ID, which is ID 3, we would have to hold down both the set ABC and the set DEF buttons at the same time. A paper clip will be your best friend in doing this. When you do so, you should see that the yellow data and the green COP indicators flash alternately. On 3-button devices, ID 2 can only be selected with the RC4 Commander software. We will cover the Commander software in another video. Thanks for joining RC4 Wireless. Make sure you drop a like, ring that bell, and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with new tutorials coming out and how-to videos.